you can diminish this accomplishment in any way. It is a big deal. There's no question about it.
That's driven out to deep right field. No doubter. Big fly. Ohtani-san. 1-0 Halos.
We were talking about this before the game today. Shohei Ohtani. It's a top-tier play brought to you by Arco. You're talking about one of the best fastballs in the game on the mound here for the Yankees. Top-tier play brought to you by Arco. He turns on a fastball in, brings in some hands inside, barrel the bat. This baseball gets out so quickly for Shohei Ohtani. We talked about it. Are you ever surprised anything he does anymore?
He can't be, but what's amazing to me is, okay, sometimes guys come over, they do well, they're hitting mistakes. Now, obviously, Severino might have wanted that pitch in a different location, but Severino and Kluber, two of the best pitchers in the American League, and he's gotten them both, and we're still in the month of April.
And both on fastballs. Kluber to center field. This one inside after throwing him a changeup. 112 miles per hour exit velocity off the bat. Just a second home run Severino's allowed this season.